So, ganito po mag-hard reset ng isang Cherry Mobile Android phone. Any Cherry Mobile model. Ito kasi ano siya eh, Omega 2. So, pagsabay lang natin yung power button saka volume down. Long press lang po natin to. Wait natin siya hanggang sa lumabas yung Android logo. Then, sabay natin bitawan. Yan. And then, press mo yung volume up. Then, down to wipe cake partition. Wipe data and factory reset. There you are. Then, press power button. Scroll down, delete all user data. Then power button ulit. Wiping data, formatting, slash data. So, ayun, hard reset na ating phone. So, lahat ng password, yung mga nakalimutan mo password, ganun, babalik na sa original. As in, new, parang bagong bili lang. So, that's it. How to hard reset any Cherry mobile phone.